April 4th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. Good morning, daughters. Did you take stock of your day before you went to sleep last night? It is good to review the events of the day, my daughters. How often throughout the day did you exercise your higher consciousness in connecting with others? Often I have reminded you how all are responsible for one another. How you communicate with those you connect with reflects how you spend your time. That which captures your attention, or more importantly, that which occupies your own thoughts. To experience the peace which surpasses all understanding, my earth angels must be ambassadors of joy. Joy is intrinsic and comes from within. My children will not discover joy through that which is of the material world. Why do you ruminate over that which is not of me? Those who truly know me need to understand the meaning of the times using their own gifts that they have been given. These gifts you have been given are needed very much in these times. Think of them as your own personal arsenal that you can use to keep Satan from destroying my precious souls. When all join together, sharing that which they have been endowed with, then they become a mighty force to be reckoned with. Do not belabor over that which you cannot change. Rather, use your own gifts as a labor of love, and you will surely become fishers of men. Yes, cast down your nets, my daughters, and become fishers of men, doing that which will ultimately bear good fruit. To be an ambassador of joy, you must always strive to take the high road in all you do. This requires you start anew every day, refreshed and ready to hear what my Spirit is guiding you towards. So many of my children get caught up in that which does not glorify my teachings. Every day is an opportunity to use your gifts for the betterment of mankind. When you work for me, using your gifts as intended, you will be filled with holy enthusiasm. Do not allow others to discourage you from that which is of my divine inspiration. When you do not allow the ego to dictate who and what you are, then you are able to move forward on the pathway to the divine. This is how your higher consciousness will be able to override old habits and those thoughts which create barriers to what is truly possible through me. My children are capable of so very much more. Satan, having sat at the right hand of the Father, knows very well what you are capable of. As you are seeing, he is doing all in his power to keep my children from developing into the beautiful flowers they are capable of being. Yes, when you allow me to rise you to new heights, you will expand your awareness, thereby seeking what has always been there for my children to avail themselves of. I am the potter, and you are the clay. I, as the constant gardener of your soul, am here to help you blossom into that which our Father desires for each of you. All things are possible through he who believes in me. Therefore, trust in what I am teaching you. Do not doubt there is much yet to experience as you expand your inner awareness. This then requires you spend more time deep within the sanctuary of your being. This is where you will find that which your own soul is seeking, that which your soul is more than ready to embrace. The mighty deceiver does not want you to know what you truly are capable of. When you keep your hearts and your minds on the heavens above, you will experience that which is of our Father's kingdom. Those who seek enlightenment will be richly rewarded as they open themselves to that which is the reality. Do not place limits on what is possible through the divine, that which you are indeed capable of. You must become possibility thinkers, negating that which has previously bound you to chains. You are the one with the divine. You, my little ones, are one with spirit. When you focus in the moment, you will not miss that which is of key importance as you expand your inner awareness. Mindfulness is the key, my daughters. Be ever mindful of that which you do and that which you say. Be especially mindful of those around you, lest they create barriers to your own higher consciousness. Do not measure your success by the standards that man has set. Far too much attention has been placed on the almighty dollar for far too long. Those who trust in me know I will see to their physical needs. I do not desire you lord your gifts above others. Rather, go forth knowing you are all responsible for one another. Share your joy with those around you. Thank you, dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 143 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.